Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome YouTube, this is the Velvet Locks in the kitchen, and I feel in the mood to make a nice, healthy, hearty vegetable soup. So that's what I'm in the kitchen doing right now. I'm going to show you today how to make a Jamaican vegetable soup, and it's all vegetables, no meat. So this is a wonderful recipe that you can also use, and you can tweak it to your liking. And basically it's a nice healthy alternative. Okay, right now I have my pot of water boiling on the stove, and it's half the water, or at least maybe, yeah, a quarter to a little bit more than a quarter and less than a half. Now I've already washed my carrots, so I'm gonna just start tossing stuff inside my pot. Now these are the baby carrots, so being that it's small already, there was no need for me to dice these up. So I'm just gonna put these in my soup. Throw that in there. Next, I'm going to dice up 2 medium-sized onions, and we're just going to cube them. Alright, and now we're going to just dump them in our pot. I want to also add some corn. I love me some corn in my soup. So I broke in half about 6 corns because I'm also making this for the family. So I'm just going to put these in our pot. Okay. Next I'm going to also dice and chop up some of these 3 sweet yams, sweet potatoes. Next, I'm going to also dice up and cube some white potatoes. And we're not going to make them so small, we're just going to chop them up nice and big because I like soup with hearty vegetable chunks in it. Alright, so we're popping all of that into our pot. Next, I've also pre-chopped up some celery, and I did about 3 stalks, so we're going to toss that in as well into our pot. Now, I'm also going to chop up a handful of parsley. And this might be a little too much, so I'm not going to, I'm going to put the whole thing in there. Next, I'm also going to chop up some thyme. And I'm pretty much winging it. I'm not measuring this because it also depends on the size pot that you're cooking in. So we're going to toss that in there. And also a Scotch bonnet pepper. We're not going to slice it or anything. We're just going to put that in whole. Is add about 2 cloves of garlic. So I'm going to crush these up and then pop them in there as well. Okay, so I got my little 2 cloves of garlic. And just basically dice it up. Okay, pop that in there. Now I have a bowl here that I've made some dumplings. So I'm just going to take some of it and then roll it up a little and toss it in my pot. Now next, I also have some chicken stock. And what we call this in Jamaica, we call it cock soup. So we're going to put some of the chicken flavored broth, and it also has noodles in it. So we just throw. Now depending on the size of your pot and the flavoring that you're trying to get, I'm using 3 packs. Alright, so this is what we're looking at right now, and it's looking very good. Okay. So we're just going to let it simmer. We're just going to let it cook down because there's quite a few vegetables and also the dumplings. Okay, and you can season to taste. But once this blends in, it's gonna come out very nice. All right, see you soon. Okay, you guys, and here we go. This is the finishing touches, and it looks delicious and it tastes delicious. All right, and it's not spicy. As long as that pepper did not burst, this will not have a spicy taste to it. So you don't have to worry about that. Yes, I'm going to drink my soup. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me on making this wonderful Jamaican vegetable soup. And enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.